already. Where are we, Frank?
Huh?
Where are we?
Indiana.
Oh, we're about over Indiana. We're descending into Chicago now, and it's getting rough.
Ladies and gentlemen, for the flight.
Not a digital.
No, it's not
Oh, it's
digital.
not digital?
It's supposed to have the day and date stamped on here, but it's not doing it.
On a satellite, they come get
Let's see what
me.
happens now.
They come get me and say, fix it.
Is it good?
You're eating pickles?
Oh, one off. You're a genius. Yep.
Hey, Ron, what are you doing with that old sausage? Put water on it. He's putting water on it, hoping it'll grow.
This is a great angle, too.
Water don't make that sausage grow.
It was a great angle, too. You couldn't see.
Oh, that's going to be good.
You doing, Uncle Bill? Your house is beautiful. Took me on a tour. Yep. Yep, Terry did. What's that? What joke?
About the girl and the guy at the bar?
No.
Girl and guy at the bar? That ain't a video camera.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, I can't tell the joke. Okay.
Okay. I'll shut it off.
Yeah. He was about out.
Hey, Brad, are you drinking beer again?
What?
Are you drinking beer?
No, but I drink coffee.
It looks like it.
Start right up. I think it's cool. They do that sometimes.
Can I tape some?
Nice shot, Dan.
Uncle Ed. Uncle Ed. Know who that is? Can I
Matt?
tape something?
Sure, in a minute.
Can I? Are you
If you guys are careful with it.
Was it brand new?
What are you going to have? No, we've had it for a few years.
I've never saw it.
Is it good?
Third year.
Junior.
Nice shirt. David's, if, you know what, if she was, one thing nice about it, if she wasn't breathing, then it'd go off.
You know, that's what I'd be scared it's gonna happen, and I'm like, laying there. Like, I don't know what to do.
Throw my face, not my legs.
You know what, if it had started happening when you were older, you see Lori here on the spot.
So this is your son, right? Yep, this is yours. What's his name?
I got Brandon homemade.
Pontoon there? I like that. I like the kind
Hey, Mom.
She's sound asleep now. Yeah.
Grandma Bev.
There's Megan. He usually falls.
Ruby suit.
Ah, look at that suit.
framework.
Yeah, he almost was before Melissa came back.
I'm cheating, Frank.
Thank you, Annie.
You see the little frog not extra. They're
No, don't do that. There we go.
I'm like, okay. So he puts a roll in and tells me it's the 800 stuff that you only use like when you're not going to use the flash and there's like 12 pictures. I'm like, oh, okay, thanks. So I think I have some.
We left in our room.
Welcome.
Right. Hi. But, we got one. We got some in the, what's it called?
Clean it up.
Just don't lose my beer.
How you doing, Uncle Bob?
I'm here.
You're here? That's it, huh?
Hey, I got the red flag here.
There's Uncle Donnie. And Aunt Pat with Rose. Hey, Rose. It is. And this is close up. Oh. Yep. Tom. John. I'm still trying to memorize the names here. So tell me if I'm wrong. So who do you have here, Rick? This is little Jessica. This is Shelly's Jessica. Yes. Hey, baby. Did you wave at him? Hey, baby girl.
Some girl just walked by, an older girl. She goes, I know her. She's Lindsay.
Look at this. This diaper. It was too big on her.
Oh.
Isn't that
You have
somehow
to use a
little?
napkin? Or?
I know. It was too big on her when she was born.
Aw.
Please.
There's Uncle Bill.
I remember you pulled. Oh, I brought it to the side.
Got the whole Hoffman clan here. Just about.
You got one of me before.
And who is this?
Oh my, are you serious?
Sienna.
Can't these pads are bigger than that.
Jay.
He's got the video on, for God's sake.
Well, I missed it.
That's the video?
Yeah.
Jay, would you like to repeat that for Lori?
No.
Is that a sunburn or are you just blushing?
No, I'm burned.
You don't blush. And Lori, which one is this?
Yeah, that's another one of my 20 kids. This is,
No doubt.
that's Melissa.
Melissa.
Just assume they're Lori's. Yeah, that's Lori's. That one's
Yep, there's a little one. There must be Lori's.
and the one way over there is Lori's.
And who's that over there?
I never dreamed I had 4 kids.
I wish about
Hey, Lori, which one of that? Lori, which one of yours is that?
Let's see. That one's Jordan.
That is yours? No, no. I'm the one by the...
Mine's
Oh, jeez.
that's Sarah.
This is Sarah. And there's Mama.
Well, laying on the sheep rolls, yeah. Of course she's going to be hot.
There's Joe.
Hi.
And Shelly.
Hi. Ben, get on video camera for posterity.
All right, there's Ben.
What do you have, Ben?
That's typical.
Walk
He's
around.
playing shy now, huh?
Yeah, we had a little family get together 4th of July on my side, and all the pictures, he's a sippy sipper.
Uh-oh. Go ahead. Woo! Go girl. Can you land on your feet?
I'll try.
Whoa, close. Come on, Ashley. You can do it. Oh, close. Hey, Mama.
1, 2, 3.
Careful, you don't kick each other.
No doubt. All right. Don't knock me off or you're dead meat. Stop. Stay behind me. What's going on out here, Jaybird?
Oh, I'm not kids jump. I'm behaving now.
You in trouble? Are you grounded?
I'm grounded. Waiting for one of the wet jets to get fixed.
Ah. What's wrong with it?
I don't know. They got to fix it. I'll try to get somebody out.
I'm sure those things always break down. So you broke it. Go on, Brad.
I'm gonna jump in.
Hey, Jimmy, you gotta make sure that you
leave him
don't
alone.
jump on the kids.
What? That's Jenna over there.
Jenna and Terry, right?
Oh, you want him now? Oh. Vic, what's going on? I'm Jay still. Hey. And you are? I'm Tom. Tom, how you been? Good, good. I'm Kathy's husband.
Oh, yeah.
No, you remember that part, huh?
Yeah.
Come on, Jenna, don't be a wuss.
Oh, she's a sissy.
Who's that? Allie and...
That was Allie and Lindsay.
So is mine. This way. Looking good, Dan.
Wait, did you get Rick's gray hair?
Right on top, he's bending over.
Yep, see what? What? Show Rick's gray hair.
I'd kill for gray hair.
You killed for any hair.
Exactly. I don't care what color it is.
Hey, Eddie.
Oh, you got videos. Oh, you got videos of us. Oh, God. I'm going to erase them.
No, you're not.
Eddie, once you get out, I'll take videos of you.
No. I'm the cameraman.
Oh.
You're going to kill your child, Shelly.
Yeah, who do you think he said? Who's the child?
No, I said you're going to kill the child. So, for the record, who are these children? This is Melissa and Jordan. How old are they?
Melissa's 3, Jordan's 2.
2. Ooh, Jordan's a big boy. 2 years old.
Look at him go, like a rhythm. He's got a rhythm.
Go, go.
I cannot believe, how long are you taking videos?
Not long. I was talking over there and I saw you guys jumping. I was like, oh, that'd be a good one. Oh, Jordan wiped out.
Well, somebody fell in. That'd be a good video.
Oh, I will tomorrow.
Somebody just fell in.
Is that Brad? They finally found Brad? Brad was missing in action for a while.
Yeah, let's go over here and show you the flip, okay? Sit down, sit right here. Here, let's go and show you the flip. We're gonna do a flip, Eddie.
Whoa! I thought you were gonna land on your feet. Oh, come on, one more. Land on your feet. Woo! Close. What's your mama doing, Jordan?
Okay, your turn, Jordan. Flip.
What?
Yeah, Uncle Dan's here. Somebody's gonna be crying. Who said that? Who said that? Who said that? She meant Shelly.
No, she didn't.
Wait till I talk to her.
Hey, Mama. Sherry. Look at the pretty girl. Come to Papa. Dan!
I promised your daughter you'd take her on the tomorrow.
Tomorrow, yeah, definitely. I will.
I don't want her dad.
Okay, all right.
Those are the kids.
Yeah, I will.
Oh, wait till I talk to her.
Promise. Bill finally got something to eat.
I'm eating. There's no food left. I'm just eating potato chips. Potato chips.
This is for posterity. There's Marianne too. And who's this young man?
This is Brian.
Hi, Brian.
Did you meet Brian? What's up?
Nice to meet you, Brian.
Nice to meet you.
There's Joey. What's up, Joe?
Nothing.
You wet enough?
You give me a fork?
What?
Are you wet enough? You getting back out there?
I'm not gonna get back out there.
Not today? Tomorrow I'm getting in there. There's Allie. It's a nice look, Allie.
Uncle, I mean,
Come on, Chrissy, what are you doing?
her mouth.
All right, she's spilling all over. Here's the evidence. Yeah, she's telling Jay he needed a sippy cup. Chrissy. What's your mama doing?
What'd I do?
Does mama need a sippy cup?
You got a sippy cup for mommy? Go get mommy a sippy cup.
Mom, Jake, where's your sippy cup? Beer. Jake, here, finish my beer.
Give that to mama. Mama needs that.
Can I have that for my beer? I know. She's like, I'm a
Oh, what a nice boy.
We did that on the boat for the parade.
I feel like I'm jumping on the train. Nice lamb chops. You're like going like this.
They're called pork chops. Are they pork chops or lamb chops? Pork chop sideburns. Are they lamb chops?
Pork chop?
Lamb chops. I was telling Marianne about you. Wait.
Oh my God.
Lamb chops.
Yay, Elvis, let's go.
Here, do jailhouse rock.
Rain on
It's my band.
Wrong song, boy.
I'm not going.
Terry, that sounds like it's too loud.
That sounds right.
One of those two on the end of the table there.
What?
Rain on my head, just crying all the time. Rain on my head, just crying all the time. Well, you ain't never put a lover that you ain't no friend of mine. When you say to his hard pass, well, that was just a lie. When you say to his hard pass, well, that was just a lie. Well, you ain't never put a lover that you ain't no friend of mine. When you say to his hard pass, well, that was just a lie. When you say to his hard pass, well, that was just a lie. Well, you ain't never put a lover that you ain't no friend of mine. Was just a lie. Well, you ain't never caught a rabbit and you ain't no friend of mine. You ain't no matter how long, just go around the town. You ain't no matter how long. We're talking about me. Well, you ain't no friend, you ain't no friend of mine. You ain't no friend of mine. Just go all the time. Whoops. You ain't no friend of mine. Just go all the time. Well, you ain't never caught it. You ain't no friend of mine. You ain't no mine.
Sorry, I got no kids to draw out, ladies.
But I can't fall in love with Not gonna happen. Not gonna happen. As Danny said, there's not enough beer in that keg to make me do it.
Don't we have some vodka in the house?
How is that?
Remote control car.
Jordan. 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 Hey. Now, which one is this, Aunt Sheila? Sarah.
Next one, Eliza, the newborn. She was born on my birthday.
Really?
To the sea, that's how it goes. Some things are meant to be.
Oh my God, that thing flies.
Hi, Jenna. Allie Benally. You get up there.
Not me. Well,
Oh, yeah, cry me a river. Elvis has hit hard times. This is the crowd.
Da-da-da. Elvis has left the building. Thank you, good.
It's time for makeup. Perfect smile. It's you that all waiting for. Isn't she lucky? Yes, Hollywood girl. And they say she's so lucky. She's a star, but she cries in her lonely heart, thinking if there's nothing missing in my life, then I knew these tears coming night. Lost in an image, in a dream, but there's no one that'll wake her up. And the world is spinning and she keeps on winning. Now tell me what happens when it stops. Isn't she lucky? This Hollywood girl. And they say she's so lucky. She's a star, but she cries in her lonely heart, thinking if there's nothing missing in my life, then why should
You go out and you can't get out by yourself because there's a million kids waiting in line to go. Yeah, I don't like going by myself.
Need to get to work here.
We are.
Uh-huh.
Thinking about it.
You thinking about it, coming up with a plan?
I'm hiding from the grandchildren.
Yeah, when they come around.
What, all 30 or 40 of them? Is that them right there? No, that's not them.
That's them.
Here they come, right at us.
I want to see. That's cool. That's the one that your mom's got. You want the same one, except for your mom and her.
You having fun?
Colin,
Sick. She doesn't want to spin anymore.
No.
can I go on the jet ski with you? After.
Well, you've had a big ride, Frank.
Couple more minutes.
I want to go with somebody else. Why? Does he want to walk? No. I love to walk. I was with him. He can laugh afterwards, and I did. You shut up. I'm not scared. He's really fighting with me and Shelly. I'm holding on to real tight because she's wild. We're up onto the thing where that was the one when the jet ski broke, I think. And then I'm holding on her and I got her and I wonder if my mom's still on there.
You stink, Allie.
Get me and Joey. Get me and Joey.
Hang on.
Timmy,
Even this place.
your head, buddy.
Don't go exist.
There's Dave.
And then that, yeah.
Hi there. Say hi to the camera, Tim.
Who's this?
Hi, camera.
What's your name?
Say your name.
What's your name? Huh? You being shy?
Timmy, that's permanent.
Oh, you're posing? Look at the posers.
Boy,
Oh,
rock stars or something?
you're gonna love this in 20 years.
I was gonna say. Blackmail.
Yep. See, it's recording.
Record the people on the.
Okay, and if you want, you gotta move slowly with it. People will get sick. And then this is how you zoom in and out. See, let's zoom in on his face. Woo! Ultra zoom. Oh, don't do that, hon. You're gonna fog up the lens.
I
Alright.
see you.
Now hold on to it. Don't drop
I
it.
want to see what your eye looks like. Can I videotape it for him?
You know, Pumpkin, you can turn it so you don't have to hold it up so high.
Yeah. You can hold it down lower and
don't
there you go. Oh, nice picture of mom's butt.
Okay, Joe, you can go on to somebody else now.
Nice picture of Aunt Sherry's boobs.
Nice, Ed. He's a boob and butt man.
I guess. Watch where you're walking with it too.
Oh, yeah. So you're brave at Quetzal there.
No, first time. I thought it was going to take a few minutes. Oh, yeah?
Videotape.
I
Yeah.
used to getting up in there, but I couldn't do it on this one. I had to struggle a lot more.
Oh, you went on
Oh no.
Not me.
Timmy, there's a
Joey's tape.
I think Danny likes that camera. It's gonna
yeah,
break.
just cut it nice.
What? I'm gonna get Frankie. Now, Joey?
No.
I'm gonna get Frankie.
Not up on the water.
I know.
Let me turn it off now. He saw me.
Yes, you did.
I've been had. You look worn out, Bill.
There she is.
Whoa. She just wiped Brad out. Poor Megan.
Let me up.
Yeah. Uh-oh. Water balloons.
Oh, really?
Yep. Look, look at, she's trying to hide it. See her? Trying to hide it in her pants. Oh, maybe not. Allie has one now. You gotta go a little bit more. All right, let's see a flip.
I tried to get him to do a see another one? I can't bounce down.
Oh! Kick your feet out. I'm afraid of what? You're not gonna fall through. Kick your feet out.
Feet drop again.
What would you give that, Jenna?
About a
0.2.
I'll be nice. I'll give you a 2. How come you didn't do a flip?
Uh-oh. Here comes the ham.
Oh God. What do you could do? Just flip back and forth laying down.
Huh?
Come on, Ed.
Do that thing you were doing yesterday, how you were sitting down, you were flipping from your stomach to your back.
Come on, that's like...
I can't do that.
But I'm not doing no flips.
That hurt. What have you done? Do one.
You're gonna hit the ground, Dan. He's pretty close, actually. You're only probably a couple inches away.
Oh, wow.
Do a, what do they call it? Swivel seat?
Swivel hip.
Swivel hip, yeah. There you go. Oh! Come on, do a flip. Oh, yeah.
Come on, Kelly. Jenna, show some flips.
I can't. I don't
Come on, Jenna.
Get you a flip on the grand.
You chicken.
Try to do a double on here.
All right.
You have to get off.
Oh, it is raining, isn't it?
That's no problem.
Woo!
Yeah.
Yeah. Just didn't want to show off, huh? Jeez.
That's so easy.
Wish you can do that on the ground. You should need a trampoline.
Yeah, right.
Oh, you can't do a double back?
Oh, no.
What is it, a punch? Punch? Something like that?
What?
Isn't that like a punch out or something like that they call it? Yeah.
That's a fun.
You go front, then you flip backwards, right?
What?
Whoa.
Break my neck on that.
Yeah, I know.
What?
Nothing, honey.
That all you got?
Breathing heavy
My
already?
food's like, hasn't digested yet.
Zach, come on. You can't let your girlfriend show you up.
Yeah, alright. I'll probably break my neck. Get off the football even more.
Here comes Frankie, conquering the beach.
Okay.
okay, Ed. I'll take this while you're up there.
No, I'm in the middle of lunch. I need to finish it.
I want to try something with this trampoline.
Here comes the ham.
Come on, front to back.
What?
Front and then right into a back.
I am afraid to do that, to tell you the truth.
Why?
What?
Why?
Because I'm afraid of trampolines.
Yeah, you look like it.
What?
Obviously.
Really shows.
Ow.
Yeah, that'll make you puke. Whoa! Now forward. Oh, you chicken.
I can go forward, but I land on my back. I can go forward, I just can't go front now.
Whoa.
My food is going, I can hear it.
Smile. Yeah. Like a normal person?
I want to see you dump her, Allie. Oh, dump Allie.
I was a kid.
This was a mistake. Is that? Oh, where are they? There they are. Is that Dave? Oh. Is that Brad and Denny?
Not nearly as buff as I am, Janice. I don't know. We were on the plane.
The camera's in sensory overload. Doesn't know what to focus on. Oh, I lost the kid. Where's the kid? Oh, there it is. That looks like Lauren. Is Lauren out there?
I think so. It may be.
Eat it, eat it.
Put me down. I know you're so put me down.
I don't see Allie in the water yet.
I'm trying. She's been whispering. She gave me a mouthful of water.
That was funny. Joanna dumped 2 of them off, didn't she? Didn't Joanna dump 2 of them off?
Oh, yeah.
Right out here?
Other way you have 3, and that works out pretty good because then you get more of the rest. With 2, you don't get much of the rest. And what a lot of times what happens is she'll lead up to the next one, and then he'll follow, and then he'll lead on. But then you're fine. 300 feet of drag at one time, and that moves it really weird you out. And sometimes it's not that easy for how you think it is. Okay, what do you think? Take a guess. 91, you're wrong. 91 and a half.
I'm what?
You're 91 and a half.
What?
We ready?
Happy
birthday to you. Cha-cha-cha! Happy birthday to you. Cha-cha-cha! Happy birthday, dear Grandma. Cha-cha-cha! Happy birthday to you. Thanks for getting the water. Scooby-Doo, Tiramisu,
Come on, Grandma, blow them out.
Hey, Grandma, you got to blow.
Grandma.
Grandma.
How you were happy birthday on her card?
Oh, yes.
Gotta
Blow them out.
I messed up.
Blow the candles out.
Gotta make a wish.
Oh, wait.
It's not like we're gonna use those tables next year.
Yay! Uh-huh.
All right, thank you, Dave.
Thank you, everybody.
Yeah, living alley.
All right, 86. We'll flip it over when you get 98.
Oh, I'm stuck.
We're gonna save them for 12 years and she can do it again.
Thank you, Dad.
This is how you zoom it.
Grandma,
If you want to shut it off, press that button.
Okay.
Just be careful.
Daddy, she's only 68. She's 68.
Grandma's only 68.
Yeah.
Oh, that looks
Hi, Mom. I'm zooming in.
That's why you're so smart, Mary.
Oh my God.
How did I know it was you?
I don't know. I'll have to
Don't, Frankie.
Hey, Allie. Allie, your papa's out there.
It is? Oh, yeah.
Grandma, a piece of cake.
There's the birthday girl. Don't, Frankie.
I think he landed at 245. Jenna, I think he landed at 245.
Okay, I'll put it away, you can eat it.
You got the camera there?
Uh-huh.
Don't get my stomach.
I'm not.
Are you taking a picture?
Yep.
Tell me what you think. Who is that?
It's a can.
Is that a movie camera?
Yeah.
Oh, let me wave.
Hi.
Hi. I'm gonna be in the movies.
Is it your 86th birthday?
Uh-huh.
68. No, it's 68.
Oh, yeah, 68.
You can go in front of it, Grandma. Megan, you're too short. It's not even showing you.
Oh, wait, yours are a little thick. Can you hear me on there? Yours are
Yep. Don't make.
I want to be in the picture. I want to be in it.
I'm gonna get a picture of the cake.
Well, that's for Papa. What kind do you want?
So sweet, really.
Me?
Want ice cream or
get a picture. Yeah.
I want ice
Can I have that?
Bye, everybody. Yeah, bye.
Hi. You can have it back now.
Okay.
I took a picture.
I hate to tell you.
They gave me
So she's
Krispy
not open.
Kremes.
She's not opening it.
No, she's not.
She told you.
Yeah, I know.
Isn't that
I
pitiful?
think she's kidding.
Bought it, I know it.
Yeah.
Did you see that?
Start out at $18.
Well, they're supposed to start out at 18, but after you open the 21.
21, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm so excited one year for Christmas. We got them trees. March, thought they were pixies. They were pixies. Yeah, poor Ron. Next year I think I had to buy him the pixies. It's real stuff. Real stuff.
Hey, Jenny. You have a drink of your beer?
Are you under above age?
Yes, I am. Thanks.
Pass those around too. Pass the balls and the cream.
I was kidding, didn't you?
Teresa, well, thank you.
I was kidding, didn't you?
You're welcome.
What's left in it? Oh, yeah.
Grandma.
Somebody with
She was like, shouldn't pass chocolate around.
Danny.
She was laughing. I was like,
Sounds like
you think I'm joking?
Right?
I told her, I bought a balloon silver box and we're just gonna stick it in the freezer. She will. Piece that I wanted.
You're lucky to make it till later tonight.
Oh, yeah, yeah, last time someone gave her them, I think she said they were gone.
I
in a week.
can
tell it's a funny
how
day,
sense
something
I
like
look
that.
at it when he's face. I know it's gonna be something funny. Said, oh, how's that one get by quality control?
What's that?
I gave you the choice here too. This one's the better one.
So is-
No, the other one's nicer. Yeah.
Wendy, that's where you want to go.
Thank you.
You got it solved. You're not going
Let's see. Open them.
Should be diabetic, but it's
Whoa!
Got one forever.
Wow! You thought it was candy.
Yeah, pass that around, Grandma. Yeah, she'll let that one go.
Don't open it.
nobody called into it.
Yeah.
Well, that's great. You got some good music there.
Dan, who else? Nobody got it.
That's fine.
Best Buy.
Well, I'll be darned.
Did Michael go with
Huh? Yeah. I got that now. Woo! Meltaways. So pass those over here. Pass them over here, Graham.
Go right in the bag.
Yeah.
You need a blood test before it's over. Any insulin?
I guess everybody knows what she likes. This song.
Sugar now.
They all go out like candy, honey.
Yeah, that's a stretch. Yeah. Everybody went out on a limb, Grandma, and assumed you like candy.
Yes.
I wish we could see
Yeah.
anything, she'd have to dust, so.
Or cook.
Disposable.
Kathy and crew.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
So she's the only son
That's
one here.
nice.
Oh, Madame is here.
What on earth?
Madame.
What is that?
Is that grapes? Are those grapes?
Oh,
Is that one of Kathy's prom gowns?
No, Sunday she had in her, things, the musicals and.
No, jeez.
She was in a musical? Really? Did she dance or did she sing?
Finian's Rainbow, I bet.
Frankie, there are 2 cards in there.
I never heard of these songs though. She will.
Pass them around, Mom. Especially that Krispy Kreme. Hey, let me see that, Allie.
I want some Meltaways.
There you go. I match. Oh, let me see this.
Finian's Rainbow in that one.
I have to see it for a second. I want to see what it does. It's a cape. It's a cape? No. No, it's a skirt.
Oh, this is.
It could be.
This is too much.
No, it is a skirt. Yeah, it's a skirt.
No, it's a cape.
It's a raptor.
Hey, I'm thinking anything
What's
nice.
this? What's this?
I seen somebody.
What's this then?
What are you looking for? What are you looking for?
That could be like one of those dresses.
Nice, Allie. That's attractive, Allie.
Ron and Beverly.
We know what they got you. Tell them what they got you.
What, more candy?
No.
I think
That
she,
CD player.
She didn't get it?
well, no, I don't think Frankie.
Frankie didn't give her the card? No.
Oh, my Dr. School.
And only Sherry can cut them.
Remember that?
Some of that last last time we hit her birthday, she got some insoles and she only let Sherry cut them. She was like, oh, how honored. Where is it? You get it. You get it. I have the camera in my hand. Go, 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 go. Go. No, I guess nobody will see it then.
You can throw your cards in there. Yeah. Well, thank you, everybody.
Thanks, everybody.
Thanks for candy.
Yeah. Oh.
Go get it. Go get it.
Is it locked? Check, maybe it's locked. Come on. Well, how nice.
All set, huh?
About 10 pounds more.
That's it. Yeah.
If you pass it around, you won't weigh that much.
That's right. We can help you.
We can help you.
It's the kind of people we are.
We should try and get a, come over to my house now.
Who was that from? Peg leg?
Where do we pass it on to?
Who was that from?
Quality control from,
No.
she explained it to me.
Their mother, father.
No, Sherry's.
Sherry's mom.
I mean,
What did I say?
Bev's.
I was gonna say, that's you.
Send herself a card.
you are the sweetest.
Yeah. The big box of chocolates.
Yes, mother.
Wow. What are the rules, guys?
If the quarter drops out of your box, or you knock over the box, go back.
Okay. First one with the quarter in the cup wins. Ready? Set, go. Oh, Allie starts over. Oh!
Joey's the box resetter.
All right, reset it, reset it. Hurry up.
Hurry, we need a faster box resetter. Here, I need it really fast. I need it really fast. No, I can do it.
Go, Deej. Go, Deej. Oh!
Go, Brad.
Brad's on his third try already.
Brad, I can do it really fast.
Oh, he dropped it. All right, here we go.
Right on the box.
Go, Allie. Allie's good. Oh, she missed.
Allie, you know in a couple of years your boyfriend's going to see this.
Oh! Look out. That might be on repair.
Take your time, Deej. Take your time. Move up, move up, move up. That's good.
Oh, DJ wins. Woohoo! 2-5. Keep five. All right, start.
That's it. Don't go. Come on, I think that's cheating.
Don't they care, Dan?
Guys, get back.
Can Allie do it?
Get back, Ed.
Oh, she missed.
Allie bounces off the rim.
Honey, you can't.
On your mark.
No.
Go.
Uh-oh, someone lost one. Oh, bounced out.
Bring it again.
Go, Deej.
Uh-oh, Brad, you're going to lose it.
You lost it.
Hey, she's not going over.
DJ, 2 times in a row.
Allie's the one who's cheating. She's not going over the top.
We're gonna look back on this in 10
All right.
minutes and we're gonna crash.
Quarters in your butts. On your marks. Get set. Go.
Your quarters.
Woo! Uncle Dan lost it.
It's your
Allie. Oh! First try. Wiped him out, Al.
Of course, when I'm doing it.
All right, rematch.
Tell me when I can try to do that.
Rematch. On your marks. Get set. Go. Whoa! Lucky shot. Lucky shot. Oh, you gotta quit at that, Dan. That was lucky.
Oh, can you rewind it and show me when I
Frankie, the quarters all over the... Set, go!
Ellie cheats.
Help it, Frank. All right. You got your quarter still? Gotta start over. Hurry up. Start over.
Brad, he doesn't want to tape your big head. Can I tape that one? No, I'm after
Oh, you lost it.
him. Can I tape
Come on,
Uncle
Frank.
Ed? I tape after him. Okay.
Uh-oh. Allie made it. Frankie made it. Who's gonna be first?
Here, Uncle Ed.
Frankie wins! Woohoo! She got it.
She didn't jump.
You got it. All right.
She cheated. She didn't jump.
He's defending champion. Allie's like what? Quadruple champion? DJ? Seven?
I like that instrument.
All right.
I beat you.
Here we go. On your marks. Quarters in your butts. Ready? Go. Comes the hop or the step. Allie's bounced out. DJ. First try. Woohoo! All right, who's in second? Who's going to get second?
Hopperoni. No, or step.
That's fine.
Hey, Frankie went around it. Yeah, he went around
As
it.
long as you step over it, that's
See,
fine.
now see, he went around it.
All right.
I came in first, but I'm gonna keep going. We need an instant replay. Frankie went around.
Well, nobody got one in, so it doesn't matter.
You gotta start over, Frankie.
Yep, Frankie knocked it over. You got to start over. Oh, but it doesn't count. Doesn't count.
I already won.
Oh, unsportsmanlike conduct. Disqualification.
So. You have to tape them going over the boxes, though. Get DJ! Oh! Ellie wins! The winner! Who's gonna come in second? Can I record? I get to record. I get to record next. After me. No, you don't. After me, you get to record. Go and play. I already won. Me and Joey are the recorders. But when somebody hurts. Let's say I get it twice in a row without you. How do you turn it? He goes over the back. I get a tape. He tries to make it, but he misses. Good try, DJ. But Uncle Ed makes it. Wait, no. He's disqualified. It is. Yeah. You can't play. Okay, it's my turn. How does it feel to be the champion? No,
Ask Allie. She's the champ.
Isn't it my turn to tape Uncle Ed?
Look out.
How does it feel to be the champion? Great. Are you gonna eat all those? The mad Frankie.
Now don't
Be careful with It's my turn to tape. Hi, Grandma. Joey, it's my turn to tape.
be careful.
Joey. Hey, DJ, how does it count? How does it feel to come in last? I came in first.
You gonna race this time?
Is it recording right now?
Go.
Who's racing? Me, Joey. Yeah, I'm racing right here. Racing.
You won that.
Come inside the cookies. These are really good. Wait, and this is the Zoom button. I know.
Ready?
No thanks.
Ready? Go.
Yeah. Whoa, hi.
Go.
All right, I'm coming in from the end here.
Where is somebody? There goes DJ.
Oh, in and out.
Okay.
Watch out.
So now.
Way over here.
Wait, I got it.
Oh, man. Get it. I threw my quarter all the way off the base. I win.
Oh, I almost that one.
What?
I didn't see it.
I did.
Did he make it?
Yeah.
Bad.
Oh, second.
Did the Brad Cam see it?
Did the KFC my win?
Oh yeah, I watched that time. I gave it first to Peace Bond.
Okay.
Can I see the record?
Enough.
Can I see the whatchamacallit? Are we done?